If you've been eyeing new ways to make cooking faster, cleaner, and a whole lot more fun, this video is for you. November is packed with amazing Amazon finds, and today we're counting down 30 kitchen gadgets that truly deserve your attention. So get comfy, grab a snack, and let's dive in. Kicking us off at number 30 is Feemster's Vegetable Slicer. Now, we've all been there. A mountain of potatoes for gratin or a pile of cucumbers for salad. This tool is built for that. It features an adjustable thickness dial, allowing you to go from paper thin for chips to a hearty ½ inch for steak fries. The blade is tough carbon steel, and it has these great safety features like a finger guard. Number 29. The Elite Gourmet Electric Kettle. It is a precision instrument for tea and coffee lovers. With exact temperature control down to the degree, it unlocks the perfect flavor from your favorite beans and leaves. Its sleek design and keep warm feature make it a stunning and smart upgrade that guarantees a superior brew every single time. At number 28, meet the Egg Pod, a gadget that solves a simple but annoying problem: perfectly hard-boiled eggs. You add water, pop in your eggs, microwave for a few minutes, and give it a shake. Presto! Perfectly cooked, easy-to-peel eggs every single time. It's a genius little hack for busy mornings or for prepping snacks for the week. Number 27. Space Aid Spice Rack Organizer. The rack is all about organization and is a lifesaver for a cluttered cabinet. It glides out smoothly so you can actually see the spice you need at the back without playing Jenga with your jars. It's sturdy, looks great, and honestly just makes cooking feel more professional when you're not digging for the paprika. Number 26. Makoni Microwave Sandwich Maker. This gadget uses thermal tech to essentially turn your microwave into a panini press. It toasts both sides at once, giving you a crispy, melty sandwich, quesadilla, or even a small burger patty in minutes. It's a clever workaround when you don't have access to a full kitchen. It is a game changer for anyone short on time. Number 25. The Rapid Slicer. It is your go-to for quick, safe, and uniform slices of everything from soft tomatoes and bagels to hard cheeses and even meats. The non-slip base is key here. It gives you the stability to slice through tricky things without worrying about your fingers. It's a fantastic all-in-one tool for daily meal prep. Number 24. Reusable silicone stretch lids. They will make you ditch the plastic wrap. They create an airtight seal on bowls, cups, even half an onion or a lemon. You can use them in the fridge, freezer, or even to reheat things in the microwave. They wash up easily and eliminate so much single-use waste. A simple, brilliant solution for any kitchen.
Number 23. Spam Musubi Mold and Slicer Kit. It is a fantastic tool if you love Asian-inspired snacks. This little kit lets you make perfect spam musubi, rice balls, and it even includes an egg slicer. It's so satisfying to press the rice and spam into the mold and pop out a perfectly formed snack. If you've ever wanted to try making these at home, this $15 gadget is your ticket. Number 22. Grosh Tea Infuser Teapot that fixes a problem you deal with every time you brew loose leaf: the messy, drippy cleanup. This is a brilliantly designed teapot. The infuser is in the base. Set it on your cup, and a valve opens, draining the tea cleanly, leaving the leaves behind to steep perfectly until your next cup. It's sleek, spill-proof, and makes enjoying premium tea absolutely effortless. Number 21. Golden Key Deep Fryer Pot. It is a heavy-duty, multi-purpose stainless steel pot. It comes with a frying basket, it works on all cooktops, including induction, and it's the perfect size for making fries, donuts, or frying chicken without hauling out a giant single-use appliance. The tilted edge helps prevent splashes, and it's just a solid, dependable piece of cookware that does one of the best cooking jobs there is: perfect frying.
Number 20.
ODSD 2-burner stove. This isn't just a little single burner. This is a portable kitchen. 2 independently controlled burners mean you can boil water for pasta while frying up some burgers. It's windproof, it folds down for easy transport, and it even comes with a little coffee stand and pan. For tailgating, camping, or even as a backup for a power outage, this thing is an absolute beast. Number 19. Pinacola Pizza Rack. If you've ever made multiple pizzas and run out of counter space, you know the struggle. This sturdy metal rack holds up to 5 14-inch pizza screens. It keeps your pizzas organized, allows them to cool properly, and then it just folds flat for storage. It's a simple, brilliantly practical solution that turns a chaotic kitchen into an efficient pizza shop. Number 18. Santoku Knife. In the world of kitchen knives, this 7-inch knife is the Goldilocks zone. Not too big, not too small, just right for 90% of your prep work. Forged from German steel, it has a razor-sharp, hollow-edge blade that prevents food from sticking. It's perfectly balanced with a full tang, making it ideal for chopping veggies, slicing meat, or mincing herbs without straining your wrist. Number 17. Starfrit Deli Slicer. Imagine slicing your own roast beef, turkey, or even hard cheeses to the exact thickness you want. This isn't a flimsy gadget. It's a serious piece of kit with a serrated steel blade, adjustable thickness, and crucial safety features like a food pusher and thumb guard. If you're a charcuterie board enthusiast or just love a perfect sandwich, this is a game changer. Number 16. Hytric Electric Cooker. This 2-liter pot is perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, or camping. It has a foldable handle, it's non-stick, and it has 2 power settings. Use the low setting for ramen or eggs, and the high setting to actually cook pasta, sear a steak, or make a stew. It's incredibly versatile, easy to clean, and gives you real cooking power anywhere you have an outlet.
Number 15. Iwara Dish Drying Rack. It tackles one of the messiest problems in the kitchen, the wet, soggy dish rack. The Iwara rack is made of sturdy stainless steel and has a game-changing feature, a built-in drainage system with a spout that directs all the water right into your sink. It's sturdy, scratch-resistant, and keeps everything organized and dry. Number 14. iCape Espresso Knockbox. This isn't just a bin to knock your used coffee pucks into, it's an all-in-one organizer. It has compartments inside to store your tamper, distributor, and other tools, keeping your coffee station looking clean and professional. It's durable, has a great wood finish look, and makes the whole espresso ritual that much more satisfying. Number 13. Manual Citrus Juicer. With a heavy cast iron base that suction cups to your counter, a long, comfortable lever, and a stainless steel reamer and strainer, this thing extracts every last drop of juice from your lemons, limes, and oranges, while catching all the seeds and pulp. It's built to last a lifetime, it's incredibly efficient, and it just feels good to use. Number 12. Pro Kitchen Cake Leveler. If you've ever tried to slice a cake into even layers with a knife, you know it's a recipe for lopsided disaster. This tool uses adjustable stainless steel wires to glide through your cake, giving you perfectly level, uniform layers every single time. It's an absolute must-have for birthday cakes, wedding cakes, or anytime you want a professional-looking bake. Number 11. GV Espresso Machine. It brings cafe-quality power to your countertop. Its 20-bar pump and rapid thermoblack let you pull a perfect aromatic shot and switch to steaming dense, barista-grade milk in under a minute. It's the compact, all-in-one machine that finally makes professional-level lattes and cappuccinos an effortless daily ritual. Number 10. AirDear Automatic Trash Can. This is a touchless smart can that opens with a wave of your hand. But the real magic? It automatically seals and replaces the bag for you. No more messy ties or fumbling with new liners. It's a small luxury that makes a huge difference in your daily routine, especially when your hands are covered in flour or raw chicken. At number 9, we have a meal prepper's dream come true,
The Gorsey freezer tray. This isn't just for ice, it's for perfectly portioned cubes of garlic herb butter, pesto, blended soups, and even leftover wine for cooking. They pop out effortlessly. The lid prevents freezer burn, and they're stackable. It's the simplest way to lock in flavor and save time on busy weeknights. Number 8. Hot Air Popcorn Popper. For family movie nights or a quick, satisfying snack, this gadget delivers maximum fun and flavor with absolutely no fuss. Watch kernels explode into a mountain of fluffy popcorn with zero oil needed. It's a self-contained show. The bowl is the machine, so cleanup is a dream. It's snack time simplicity at its very best.
Number 7. Al Pastor Skewer. It is for the grill masters and the entertainers. This vertical skewer set lets you create stunning, restaurant-quality towers of marinated meat for tacos al pastor, shawarma, or gyros. Vertical cooking means every slice is perfectly bathed in flavor and cooked evenly. It's an absolute showstopper at any barbecue. Number 6. 2-in-1 Pizza and Crust Cutter. It solves 2 pizza problems at once. The sharp wheel slices cleanly through any crust, while the other end presses the edge together to seal in toppings. It's ergonomic, has a thumb guard, and it also works brilliantly for brownies and bars. It's the ultimate pizza night utility player. Number 5. Hot Toast Spin Scrubber. It is a gadget that tackles the part of cooking we all hate, cleaning. This cordless, powerful scrubber does the elbow grease for you. With different brush heads, it makes cleaning baked-on grime from pans, scrubbing sinks, and detailing stovetops an absolute breeze. This isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a life upgrade. Number 4. Kitchen Compost Bin. It is the most elegant solution for a not-so-elegant task. It seals tightly to lock in odors and keep fruit flies out, and it can be mounted right on a cabinet door for the ultimate in convenience. For anyone trying to reduce waste and compost, this makes the process clean, convenient, and surprisingly stylish. Number 3. Fruwinky Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. It solves 2 major problems at once. The Fruwinky isn't just beautiful ceramic, it's a preservation system. The opaque body shields your premium oil from light, locking in freshness and flavor. And its brilliant automatic spout guarantees a perfect, mess-free pour every time, with 0 drips to ruin your clean countertops. Number 2. Love Casa Baking Dish. It's the difference between a good dish and a legendary one. The magic is in the ceramic. It distributes heat so evenly that it eliminates hot spots and delivers a flawless golden crust from the very center to that beautiful ruffled edge. For pies, tarts, and quiches that look and taste professionally made, this is the tool that makes it effortless. Number 1. Nama Nut Milk Maker Machine. It isn't an appliance, it's a personal dairy. It transforms a messy 30-minute process of soaking and straining into a single, one-button operation. In minutes, it delivers the freshest, creamiest, and most nutrient-rich almond, oat, or soy milk you've ever tasted. It gives you complete ingredient control, eliminates carton waste, and forever changes your relationship with plant-based milk. And that's our list of 30 Amazon kitchen gadgets that absolutely deserve your attention. Which one are you most excited to try? If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.